Welcome back, you guys. This is Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts with Coldwell Banker Realty here in Panama City Beach, Florida. Today I'm going to be taking you around the subdivision of Hathaway Town-homes. This is a D.R. Horton planned subdivision. It's really close to the Hathaway Bridge. We just left from that pool in the lower center of the screen. Right now they're currently working on another phase of this development, as you can see off to the right there from the pool. There's going to be 156 total planned townhomes in here. They're all 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths, and they all have a 1-car garage as well. But the location is what's really cool about this. You're about 5 minutes from the Navy base. You're right at the foot of the Hathaway Bridge on the beach side. Here's some of the townhomes in the first phase that are already completed in the lower center and left of the screen. We're about 35 minutes to Tyndall, 10 minutes to Pier Park, 10 minutes to the beach, 5 minutes to the sports complex. Speaking of the sports complex, which is going to be directly behind us, if you're into travel ball, it's going to be really close to this subdivision. If you wanted to take your family there, maybe use this as a vacation home or a place for you to stop in when you're going to be participating in tournaments or events there. You can even do 1 week is the minimum short-term rentals here in Hathaway Townhomes. So it's a great place to make an investment property as well. There's lots of hotels and developments that are actually catering to the sports complex and people that will need to travel there. All of these townhomes come with about 1,500 square feet of living space. That's technically 1,514. This community is, well, actually now we're starting to look at Emerald Cove over there, but you see the bay off in the distance, Hathaway Bridge, Marina Landing. It's kind of centrally located, so if you want to go anywhere on the beach or in town, you get to go in any direction with the same drive time. Back to what I was saying about the subdivision here, Hathaway Townhomes. This is what we like to call maintenance-free living. The HOA takes care of the yard. You got your exterior building insurance, part of the HOA. And while I'm flying back over towards the fountain here, go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video if you like my content. Click that subscribe button. And of course, if you guys have a subdivision that you'd like to see me do a vlog about or a flyover, leave a comment below to let me know which subdivision you think would be cool for the next video. Again, I'm Sean Casilli with Coldwell Banker Realty here in Panama City Beach, Florida. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. And as a reminder, I do represent buyers and sellers of all real estate here in Panama City Beach. I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye for now.